Hey, what is up everyone, this is Ken here. Welcome back again to Tech and YouTube channel. So MIUI 13 is almost coming today most probably. Which are the devices which will get MIUI 13 update and some leaks which we have. I'm going to share with you all those. Let's get started. If we talk about the MIUI 13 update, a lot of things I've already shared with you, some screenshots and some apps which you get in MIUI 13, MIUI 13 File Manager, MIUI 13 Power Menu, MIUI 13 Volume Panel and a lot more things, and all these things will be revealed officially today most probably. Let's see, and I will share with you my experiences about MIUI 13. Here we have some screenshots regarding MIUI 13 latest update, you can see, but with all these things we have only screenshot because it's not officially released yet while making this video. It will be released in 2 or 3 hours, and yes, as I previously mentioned you, I will make a video on those things. You can see these things are included in MIUI 13 most probably. One thing, keep in mind that this time the MIUI 13 which is releasing today is only in China. It's not releasing in global things, or it's not even releasing in India. So yes, it's only releasing in China. So you have Chinese things, text in Chinese and a lot more things. Today I think so I'll try GSI or maybe a custom home, which if it is available, if it will be available for my device, I'll look into it for sure, and I will try to make a video on those things. But the MIUI 13 might have some widgets for you, some new kind of app vault things, and maybe some other interesting things which we are not expecting at all. Xiaomi can do a lot of things. Xiaomi can do anything. They told that they will give only 2 major Android updates to some Android devices, including Redmi Note 8, and they've given third Android update from Android 9 to Android 10 to Android 11. So yes, they can do anything if they want to. If we talk about some other things, that which are the devices which will get MIUI 13 update, let me talk about that one. So let's get straight away to it. Okay, today these devices will get MIUI 13 update. Right now, stable MIUI 13, Mi Mix 4, Mi 11 Ultra, Mi 11, Mi 11 Lite 5G, Redmi K40 Pro and Redmi K40. These devices will get the stable MIUI 13, and the devices which I'm going to talk about right now will get MIUI 13 beta updates like this: Mi 10 Pro, Xiaomi CV, Mi 10s, Mi 10 Ultra, Mi 11 Ultra Pro, Mi Tab 5, Redmi K40 Pro, Pro Plus, K30, K30 Ultra. A lot more devices are included, and these devices will get MIUI 13 beta update. And yes, if I don't have any of these devices unfortunately, but yes, we have some GSI options available for you. We might have all the news related to MIUI 13 today at evening, so stay tuned for that. I will share all the things which will be available in MIUI 13 officially, so stay tuned for that. And these are the devices, as I previously mentioned. Redmi Note 11 Pro is included, Redmi Note 10 Pro, Redmi Note 9 Pro, Redmi 10X Pro, etc, etc. MIUI 13 first batch. The devices which will get MIUI 13 in the first batch are January or February: Redmi K40 Gaming, Mi 10s, Redmi K30 Pro, Redmi K30 5G, Redmi K30s Ultra, Xiaomi 11T Pro, and some Poco devices like F2 Pro, F3, X3 or X3 GT, etc. MIUI 13 second batch updates, which means which will get in March or May: some Xiaomi Pad, Redmi 10, Redmi Note 10, Redmi Note 10s, Redmi Note 10T, Redmi Note 11, Poco M4 Pro and Poco X2, etc. These are the devices which will get this thing in March or May. And then later March, the third batch, we have Redmi K20 Pro. Yes, Redmi K20 Pro is actually quite good. It will get MIUI 13 update for sure. It also has the Redmi Note 8 2021, the latest interesting one from Redmi Note 8. Also Redmi Note 9 Pro India, Redmi Note 9 Pro Global, Redmi Note 9s, Redmi Note 10 Pro, 10 Pro Max, and my favorite Redmi Note 8, of course. If you know me from Redmi Note 8, Poco X3, Poco X3 Pro, etc. All these devices are included in this latest update. These were the things, and this is all about today's video. These were things I just want to let you know about the new update, the Xiaomi's latest biggest update or regarding the latest OS. MIUI 13 is coming today. So if you're excited for this, don't forget to like and share this video. This is all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.